how to fix your laptop text is not clear. So if the font on your laptop is either blurry or hard to read, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to fix this issue. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu and then go and load up your computer settings. In the left-hand side, click on System and then press Display. Now scroll down to the Scale and make sure this is set to the recommended amount like so. You also want to do the same for the display resolution. Make sure this is set to your recommended number. Now once you've done this, go and close out of this window, open up the Start menu again, and search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance and click on this window here. Now from the list of options, you need to make sure that Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts, make sure this is turned on like you see here, and then go and press Apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, open up the Start menu again. You can then search for ClearType and click on Adjust ClearType Text. Make sure Turn on ClearType is enabled like this, and then press Next. You can then go through the steps by continuing to press Next, and you basically need to answer these questions by selecting the font that looks the best on your screen. So for me it's this one, and then we can press Next. And you can do the same for all of these different options. Now once you've done this, it will apply the best text for your laptop display. So if you go and press Finish, that should have fixed any blurry or hard to read text in Windows 11.